Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the AM Silver Bullet on Wednesday, April 24th. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to turn on the Kraken Silver Bullet Pro, which I already did. I believe they're all turned on already. Look, yep, they are. So let's move this over. Asia high has been taken there. London high has been, obviously everything's been taken. So Asia high and London high has been taken. Asia low and London low's been taken here, so let's just turn them both off like this. Kill zone is going to start. It just started because I'm one candle in, so that's good. Okay, previous day high is there. PM buy side is gone. AM session is not in this range. Your clock's not in this range. PM session's gone too. Okay, perfect. All right, this is what we got going on here. All right, let's just look at this. Now, before I came to the chart, okay, I'm analyzing looking left. And I'm looking at, do we have SMT? Have we hit a higher time frame PD array? So let me go to the 4 hour. Let me go to the 4 hour right here. And let me just hit this like this. This pink box is a 4 hour FEG, okay, right here. All right, so let's go to the 1 minute. That's this pink box, okay? You're seeing this pink box? That is a 4 hour FEG that we didn't quite hit. I was looking for it to tap into there in reverse. Didn't happen. So what do we have here? Well, you don't have SMT right here, but you do have regular bearish divergence. So you have regular bearish divergence, so you can go here to here. You can go regular bearish divergence right there. Okay? Meaning we should go lower, which we did go lower, which makes this a potential. It's a breaker block when we trade up to it, right? So it's a breaker right now. So you could have entered right on this candle right here. Didn't. It's obviously silver bullet hour, just started. So another thing I also like to do when we are traced like this, I have relative equal lows right here, which are screaming to be taken, right? Very suspect. Equal lows down here, screaming to be taken, right? Below there you have previous day low. Now, if I look at previous day low from right here, just look at the lines. You don't need to look at all the candles right now, okay? Just follow the cross mark here. I'll put it as a pointer. We ended the day here yesterday, and we have this big opening gap here, right? It did kind of fill it in, but we were pretty much at the previous day high yesterday when we closed, okay? It traded all the way up and then come back down and tagged it at the end of London, and then now we're pretty far away from previous day high, right? I would expect during regular trading hours for the previous day high to be retested, or at least traded back down to something. If it's traded off during Asia or London, during regular trading hours, I would expect it to come back down here. Does it always? No, but that's what I'd be looking for. So you can see this very good. So we have regular bearish divergence right here. So we have it comes down, breaker block, trades back into it. Let's also throw optimal trade entry in here. Low to high to low. Here's optimal trade entry is right where our breaker block is, which is great. So if it comes in here, I'm going to take a trade. So let's see what happens here. Ooh, that big long wick. Don't like that if I was looking to go short right here. Okay, so it comes up and then closes there. That's when I will sell one there. I'll put on my short position here, and I'll show you where we're targeting. Let's just zoom in here. Let's move our stop loss to here. TP to previous day low. Let's move this to, oh, it's right at 100. All right, let's go right down to 100 then. All right, let's see how this plays out. Now, when I get down to below these lows, I'm definitely going break even plus a few. And there's 2 PD rays here that it's got to violate, so probably watch that, how it trades down into it. Count the PD rays with me. There's 1. This would be 2. This little one, if there is one there, I don't think there is anymore. This would be 3 right here. There is a little one right here. You can see a little pink, but it goes away because it's not actually there. All right, so I know I said once it's closed below, but we've already got 3 PD arrays here, and we're going for 100, so we're already at, 850 or 41 points down. I think we're good enough to go like right here, down to 25, and then we'll leave it. Takes me out, takes me out. This is just how it works. Here, get those lines off there. Time distortion right here. Got over 20 minutes, just right here. 15, almost 20 minutes. Almost 20 minutes until it starts moving. And even then, it just swept that low. Come on, start moving. All right, it's down here. It's below this. It's gone up. I'm moving my stop to this line here. Which here, I'll move this over like this. I'm just moving to above this line right here. This high. Capturing a little bit more. Okay, so now we've got 1. I don't count the order blocks as you can suffocate your stop loss if you do that really. So here's 1, 2, 3. So let's move our stop to right here. We'll lock in 680. Oh, that didn't take us out, so my next thing would be like way down here. Like I'd probably just be closing it, to be perfectly honest, but we'll put it like this, and then it's gonna take us out, whatever, however it's gonna take us out. All right, so there you go. There's our trade, and see, it went up before it took us out. Went up before it went down, because it would have been 2,000. So would have suffocated anyway at that point when we're so close. I'm not looking for a big difference. I'm gonna close it out as where I can. So, all right. So that is your silver bullet trade. It took like almost an hour. Let's see, 10:06 to 11:04. So 58 minutes. It's just a slow burn right there. Okay. Down to previous day low. Let's see how much. Let's just let this play out a little bit. Okay. All right. All right. Let's recap. We came to the 10 o'clock silver bullet hour, and we noticed that we had regular bearish divergence. We did not have SMT, but we used the Kraken correlation indicator that you can get for $29 a month with all the other indicators that I have. It's just one of them that would show you that you have regular bearish divergence right here. You can also use Kraken profile or volume profile. It's not I didn't use in the video, and then you have Kraken visuals, which you don't have at the moment here because they've been taken already. We're going to get into the time cycles and the PO3 indicator when I get them finished. We use Kraken Silver Bullet Pro. We saw regular bearish divergence, so we were looking for a reversal pattern. We saw the breaker, price traded through. It's starting to pull back up at the start of the 10 o'clock hour. We pulled the fib to see where our OTE was, which was the breaker. Price came up. You could take it right there, or any of these 4 candles that just stayed in the, look at that. You zoom in here. If you look at the dotted line, constant encroachment, none of the bodies close above that. That's a clear sign that price doesn't want to go above that. So you could enter anywhere in here. Stop should go above this fair value gap. You can be really safe. You go above this high. I just had the standard 20 points that I usually use. And we're aiming for the previous day high, okay? Knowing that it was traded through or from with a start yesterday when the market opened back up, traded back in down to it during London, at the end of London, and then we were further away from it, knowing that it was probably highly likely that it was going to trade back down to it during regular trading hours. So my target was previous day high, which was a 100-point move. We closed our trade right here, basically, with suffocating it, and it took us out before it hit our TP. Fine, it's cool. We got 1885 in this trade scenario right here with 1 contract on the minis. So there you go. That's your AM Silver Bullet trade on Wednesday, April 24th, using the Kraken suite of indicators.